Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Rava carrot cake in a kadai. This is an egg-free, maida-free and butter-free recipe. Very easy to make. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixie jar, add 2 cups of semolina or Rava. Grind it coarsely. Add the semolina to a mixing bowl. To this add 1 cup of milk and mix it well. It's nicely mixed now, so let this rest for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes now, so go ahead and add half cup of oil. Then add 1.5 cups of sugar and mix it well for 5 minutes and make sure the batter is lump free. Now we are ready with the lump-free batter, so go ahead and add half cup of wheat flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and give it a nice mix. Finally add half cup of carrot puree and mix it well. Now we are ready with the batter, so let's start making the cake. Heat a kadai, place a butter paper and grease it with butter. Pour in the batter. Close with the lid. If the lid has any opening, close it as well. Keep the flame in low and let this cook for 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes now, so let's open and check. The semolina cake is nicely done. Let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, demold the cake and it's now ready to enjoy. Very soft and delicious cake, so do try this at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.